Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can increase the amount of undos within Photoshop by amending the history state. So this is incredibly useful if you're ever working in Photoshop and want to retrospectively go back at, for example, the last 30 changes that you've made on that particular design. It's really easy to update this setting. So you want to start off by selecting Edit and going right down to Preferences, and we want to then select Performance. This will bring up a new dialog box, and here it says History State. So by default it's set to 50, which we can increase to 200 to 350 if we wanted to, and it can go as high as 1,000 once you're happy with the change. So we're going to keep it at 80, and then select OK once happy with the change, and there you go. That setting will permanently be changed within Photoshop. So rather than showing the last 50 undo changes that you've made in Photoshop, it would now show 80 or up to 1,000 depending on your preference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this is a useful Photoshop tutorial.